I'll show you how you can easily change or fake your MAC address in Kali Linux using just a few simple commands. No confusion, no long talk. Let's go straight to it. First, open your terminal and type fconfig here. You see your network interface, usually str1 and your current MAC address. Before changing it, we need to bring it down using sudo fconfig etherdown, and now use MAC changer to randomize your MAC. Sudo MAC changer rdd, you'll see your old MAC, permanent MAC, and your new fake MAC address. Your MAC address is successfully changed. So that's how easy it is to fake your MAC address in Kali Linux using MAC changer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe.